So I stumbled upon this video you can see above, and I was very curious that what could this be and what could it be for and what are they doing with it, because I was very curious. I'm a very curious person, so I tried to do my research about it. Then I discovered the following, which was mind-blowing. So if you not know what I discovered in this video, stay to the end of this video so you'll be able to see what I discovered in the video. Hello awesome Lolare Airline family, it's your girl Lolare Airline, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome on board. Lolare Airline loves you already, even without even meeting you. Lolare Airline loves you already. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be getting more updates on hairs and wigs from us. And for my returning subscribers, we love you, we really appreciate you, and thank you for always showing up on our channel all the time. We appreciate you. So let's get straight to what I discovered. So I discovered this thing. I was wondering what the machine they were using was for and all, and I was seeing that they were trying to use it on lace closure and frontals and all. Then I discovered, I did my research like I said, and I discovered they are called air injection machine. Air injection machine. And I'm like, what is air injection machine? And I tried doing my research and I discovered all this thing. I saw that they were using it to create closure, like ventilate closure and frontals. So it's like an easier method to ventilate closures and frontals. You know, the former way people use and people are still using is actually a ventilating pin. That's a very tiny minute pin, like a needle. That's what they used to ventilate closures and frontal, and people are still using it, like I said. But this machine was mind-blowing because it was faster and it was an improved technology. It was easier to do, better than the usual using the needle, ventilating needle to do closures and frontals. It was easier to do and faster. So the next video you'll be seeing is how they're using this air injection machine to create closures and frontals. So I'm sure you're very curious on how they are doing it and how easy it can be to make a massive closure and frontal at the same time, not having to do it one by one the way we stress with the ventilating pin. Just watch this video, this series of videos I'll be showing you on how they are done. So after watching those videos, you will have noticed that they use different machine to do it. That's another mind-blowing thing again. So as you've seen on the video, you can see there are different brands of air injection machine. So like, if you don't see one, you can go for the other, and they are very beautiful brands and they work in mass production of air closures and frontals. So it's a good technology and it's really helping us as hairstylists to create mass production of closures and frontals if we want to do for our hairstyling, our customers and all like that. So like, why are we wasting time? Because technology is very sweet. Like, it makes work very easy for us. That's what it does for us. So see the different types I'm showing you in this video. Like, it's very creative and I love them. So out of curiosity again, I had to just go and look for the setup of the machine. Just watch this video above again. See the setup of the machine. See the way they are setting it up. And see the details of the machine, the pins that are inside the machine, how it is done. Just watch this video so you'll see more on what I'm talking about. So after seeing the setup, you can see the machine has several teeth that you can use to do mass air ventilating at once. So rather than the usual old method we do, that we'll be using one pin to be doing the ventilation, and it's very stressful. Or honestly, it causes backache for many of these hairstylists that do it. So like, why stress when we can do massive production of air closures and frontals with ease? So I believe after watching this video, you've learned something new on what air injection machine. I don't cease to always bring you updates on airs and wigs all the time. What can help us as hairstylists to improve the quality of our service and to relieve us of stress? That's what I always bring us anytime, any day. So if these are the kind of things you want to be getting, the videos on airs and wigs and updates on technology on airs and wigs, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We don't miss out on giving you that update every single time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment and like under this post. And also share with your family and friends who are hairstylists, who have not seen this video, needs to know about this new technology, so that they can be relieving themselves of stress and giving their customers the best result at all times. So see you in our next video. We love you. Bye.